Can you imagine being able to monitor your equipment's productivity anytime, anywhere, no matter where you are? At Comansa, we can't only imagine it, we can also help you do it. Introducing CraneMate, the new monitoring platform that allows you to supervise all the activity parameters of one crane or an entire fleet, both historically and in real time. With CraneMate, you can monitor the productivity of your machine, receive alerts, report an incident, plan maintenance work, reduce operating and service costs as if you were present. A powerful tool designed with the user's convenience in mind, capable of offering the most comprehensive information in the most efficient manner thanks to its simple and intuitive interface. Harness the full potential of your equipment with CraneMate, Comansa's scalable digital solution that connects people, machinery and technology, saving time and costs, as well as improving the efficiency of your processes.